Salespeople have been neglected by tools and technology for far too long. CRM is important, but is really just a forecasting tool. What sales really needs is a tool that will help change their outcomes, not just tell them it's raining. It starts with leads. Your website is your shop window, but 90% of your visitors remain anonymous. Identify them all and track their every move to weed out the window shoppers and convert more into red-hot sales opportunities. Once you uncover the leads, how do you make sure the right reps get the right leads right away, not flooding some reps while starving others? This requires accurately assessing territories and evaluating prior performance to ensure every rep has enough pipeline to make their quota. Doing it on spreadsheets leaks money and takes too long. Leads won't move down the pipe if sales has to sift through an outdated document graveyard. Enable sales to get the deal done with easy access to the right tools, content, and analytics to accelerate the buying journey. When they're ready to buy, generating a quote is about selecting the right products quicker, maximizing the size, and managing the margin. No time-consuming spreadsheets, no lengthy approvals. It's about getting to the money faster. Cash incentives drive sales to close bigger deals faster. But for maximum impact, include a points-based program that uses competition and recognition to drive the selling behaviors that deliver lasting performance. An integrated lead-to-money process will change outcomes for sales. More deals for more money in record time.